The latest and most significant improvement to Google's top-of-the-line phone, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, has been officially confirmed. Google is getting ready to give a sneak peek of the upcoming Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro during the I/O event, which is scheduled for May 10th, similar to last year. We're going to take a sneak peek of Google's next major release. The recent official announcement of the Pixel 7a has confirmed Google's overall strategy, which is to introduce new camera hardware to all of its flagship Pixel devices. From the Pixel 7a to the Pixel 8 Pro, Google is introducing new main camera sensors. The Pixel 8 series will feature the most substantial camera upgrade ever seen on any Pixel phone. Interestingly, the camera sensor in the Pixel 8 Pro is also the largest sensor ever produced by Samsung. The ISOCELL Gen2 sensor, which was featured in the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, is still an incredibly capable sensor. It performs admirably when compared to the latest sensors of 2023. Despite being from the previous year, it holds up very well in terms of performance and quality. When paired with the latest hardware, Google has the potential to enhance the ISOCELL Gen2 sensor to new heights. This sensor enables impressive features such as staggered HDR, allowing for stunning 4K video recording at 120 frames per second. It even supports recording videos in 8K at 30 frames per second. Additionally, it offers the capability to capture still photos at both 50 megapixels and 100 megapixels, providing users with exceptional image quality options. Google is set to surpass expectations and surprise everyone with their upcoming releases. In addition to incorporating Samsung's largest camera sensor, they will also feature Samsung's most advanced CPU, the Exynos 2300, also known as the Tensor G3, which has never been released for Samsung's own phones. This powerful processor will be utilized in the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, further enhancing their performance capabilities. The recent leak of kernel information has substantiated the presence of the Exynos 2300 processor, along with the Samsung Eclipse 930 GPU. Interestingly, there is a possibility that the Pixel 8 series might feature AMD graphics, which would be an exciting addition. This presents a perfect opportunity for Samsung to showcase the significant improvements they have made with their Exynos 2300 processor, especially when compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It will be interesting to see how Samsung's Exynos processor performs and how it measures up against its Snapdragon counterpart. Other than this, Pixel 8 series will of course bring the Android 14 right out of the box. Google will reveal additional details about this at the upcoming I/O event. One of the notable highlights of Android 14 is its ability to enable satellite connectivity, which means that the Pixel 8 series will be among the first phones to offer this feature. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.